Today, I'm challenging myself to let Claude AI take over my PC and see just how much it can do. Let's find out if it really can run my life. Claude AI is not just any ordinary AI, it's a revolutionary technology that's changing the game for PC users and tech enthusiasts alike. With its capabilities, it has the potential to transform the way we interact with our computers, making our lives easier, more efficient, and more productive. Imagine having a personal assistant that can anticipate your every need, automate tasks, and optimize your PC's performance with ease. The implications are huge, and I'm excited to dive deeper into what Claude AI can do. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who uses their PC for everyday tasks, this AI has the potential to revolutionize the way you work and play. So, let's get started and explore the world of possibilities that Claude AI has to offer. As we explore the world of Claude AI, I want to highlight just how much it can impact our daily lives. With its advanced capabilities, it can streamline workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and even help with tasks like data analysis and content creation. The possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to see just how far it can take us. Computers, in their current form, can be frustrating at times. We've all experienced slow performance, inefficient workflows, and the constant struggle to keep up with updates and maintenance. It's like our PCs are holding us back, rather than empowering us to do our best work. We've all been there, sitting in front of a slow computer, waiting for what feels like an eternity for it to load up. It's like watching paint dry, and it's incredibly frustrating. And when we do finally get started, we're often bogged down by inefficient workflows that waste our time and energy. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from these limitations? What if you could have a PC that's fast, efficient, and tailored to your every need? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with Claude AI, that dream can become a reality. We're not just talking about a fast PC, we're talking about a PC that can anticipate your every need, automate tasks, and optimize its performance in real time. It's like having a personal assistant built right into your computer. But it's not just about speed, it's about efficiency. With Claude AI, you can wave goodbye to those tedious workflows and hello to a more streamlined way of working. Imagine being able to focus on the tasks that matter most, while your PC handles the rest. And let's not forget about updates and maintenance. We all know how frustrating it can be to constantly update our software and drivers. But with Claude AI, those days are behind us. This AI can handle all the heavy lifting, so you can focus on what matters most. But how does it do it? Well, that's the best part. Claude AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms to learn your habits and preferences, and then optimizes your PC's performance accordingly. It's like having a personal trainer for your computer. But it's not just about the tech behind it, it's about the real-life applications and benefits. Imagine being able to finish tasks faster, have more free time, and enjoy a better overall computing experience. That's what Claude AI can offer. So, let's take a look at a real-life example of how Claude AI can transform a user's PC experience. Meet Sarah, a graphic designer who was struggling to keep up with her workload. Her PC was slow, her workflows were inefficient, and she was wasting hours every week on tedious tasks. That was until she discovered Claude AI. With its advanced automation capabilities, Claude AI was able to streamline Sarah's workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and even help her with complex design tasks. The result? She was able to finish projects faster, earn more clients, and enjoy a better work-life balance. But don't just take my word for it, let's hear from Sarah herself. Claude AI has been a game changer for my business. I'm able to fitter, earn more clients, and enjoy a better work-life balance. It's like having a superpower built right into my PC. The metrics are impressive too. With Claude AI, Sarah was able to increase her productivity by 30%, reduce her workload by 25%, and even earn an extra 10% in revenue. That's the power of Claude AI. So, what can we learn from Sarah's experience? Claude AI is not just a tool, it's an project's fast technology that can change the way we work and live. It's about having a PC that's designed to help you succeed, rather than hold you back. In conclusion, Claude AI is not just a revolutionary technology, it's a game changer for PC users. It can simplify tasks, enhance performance, and even transform your overall computing experience. So, don't just take my word for it, try it out for yourself and see the difference it can make. Thanks for watching, and if you've had an experience with AI on your PC, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button.